Sahil, it's coming back. You log in?
हाँ put it now और यहाँ पे
Hi, wishing everyone a very happy evening. I'm really excited to be here again. It's been wonderful to be a part of this last week on World Health Day. A heartfelt thanks to Global Insurance Brokers as well as Dr. Pratibha to be here. I'm really happy that last week on World Health Day, there were close to 3,000 views of the video. It was really good that I could help so many people across the globe. A lot of people in fact told me that, basically the health tips have helped them, and it's been, they've started already using the nutrition care and it's already making them feel lighter. I'm really happy about it. Some people have also messaged me that they've started exercising and they are feeling much more active, much better, much happier. So this has been wonderful. I'm really excited to be here again for part 2 of the well-being hacks. Today is going to be a short power pack session. So please listen carefully, completely stay tuned to this video. So first, since there are a lot of new people who have logged in, I'm going to revise the part 2, the nutrition tips that I had given in part 1. So let's go through those. Number 1, so there were 5 superfoods that I spoke about. Number 1, my very famous lemon shot. Take a glass of warm water, just 1/4 glass of warm water, mix 1 lemon, a pinch of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper. Black pepper enhances the absorption of the turmeric and this is excellent to boost your immunity. The second one, fruits. So fresh fruits are excellent to consume during this phase. Summer is here, mango is here. Please relish it. It has high content of vitamin C that can help you to feel happy and also boost your immunity. Third, so all these things I've even written on the session 1 video section, and even in this I will be typing this, so don't worry about noting it down or mugging it up right now. The third one is the vegetable juice. This is excellent, very power packed it can be, and there are 3 kinds of vegetable juices. We have the green juice, we have the red juice as well as the water juice. Again, all the recipes have been mentioned in my session 1. So you can just go through that. I will again type it below the comment section here, so you can peacefully jot down the recipes. Right now, just stay tuned for this entire time. Then we have your nut milk. This is made out of almond milk. Now almond milk is available as Tetra Pak outside, or you can even make it at home. Again, I will put the recipe in the comment section so you can go through it. The fifth one, very important, is to boost your body with a lot of good fats, because they are filled with omega-3 which are excellent to protect us during this phase. So the 3 main sources of good fats are your nuts, which are your almond, pistachio, walnut and cashew. Then we have coconut, the brown color one that we use for chutney or that we use during puja. A small piece can be taken every morning and it's extremely beneficial. The third one is seeds. As we discussed last time, sunflower, watermelon, pumpkin, flaxseed, chia seeds. All these can be used. They can be roasted and kept in a jar. You can sprinkle it over your salad or your dal and take it. So basically there are 5 superfoods: lemon shot, your fresh fruits, vegetable juice, nut milk, as well as good fats which are a high source of omega-3. The 3 main good fats are your nuts, your seeds as well as your coconut. So this is about the food part. I think right now what we really need, all of us, is to keep our mind strong. Psychologically we have to be very strong right now, and that's why I'm going to talk about certain hormones. When these hormones are stimulated, automatically they keep us healthy, they make us feel rejuvenated, they also don't make us feel too tired, and we automatically will remain much happier. And it's maybe about 19 days more. If we can invest in our health, when we get back to work, there is going to be a higher demand on us. Our body, our mind, our soul has to be ready for that. So it's very important to make this time as an investment at the body, mind and the spiritual level. So what are hormones? Hormones are basically chemicals that are secreted by the organs in our body. Now please remember, when we are under stress, so obviously all of us are going through challenging times. There is uncertainty right now. So there will be a higher secretion of stress hormone called cortisol, which tends to make us fatigued right now. There is also the adrenaline hormone that has to pump much higher because the body is constantly signaling that it is in stress. Hence, it's very, very important to now stimulate 4 hormones which are called as the happy hormones. I think one of the best dose against COVID is happiness. We all will agree that when we are happy, when we are feeling a sense of love, bliss, we feel so protected, so safe that we actually feel nothing can touch us. So I'm going to talk everything in acronym today. So basically the 4 hormones is as DOSE, DOSE. So which are the 4 hormones? One is your dopamine, that is for D for dopamine. The second one, O, is the oxytocin. The third one, S, is your serotonin. And the last one, E, is the endorphin. So these 4 hormones are actually the happiest hormones in our body. When they are secreted, automatically we feel a sense of well-being, and it will really help us during this phase. And also we will feel much stronger when the lockdown is over. So please, let's use this lockdown as opening up of infinite possibilities. Instead of lockdown, I keep telling myself it's an opening up of infinite possibilities, and that's really been helping me over this week. So I request even y'all to start looking at it positively, and it will make a huge difference. So let's talk about certain things that can help in the stimulation of these hormones. So again, as an acronym, so I've made the acronym happiness. So H is for hugs. So even though there is social distancing right now, we can definitely hug ourselves. Skin is the largest organ in the body, and the skin needs touch. So even if we are not able to meet our friends right now, we can just hug ourselves. In fact, right now, I request all of you to give yourself a beautiful hug and just whisper, I love you to yourself. So it's very easy. Keep your right hand on the left shoulder, left hand on the right shoulder. Just close your eyes and whisper, I love you to yourself. And also a silent prayer of gratitude that all of us are okay, we are at home, our loved ones are safe. Super. So the H is for hug. So of course we should hug ourselves. It's very important. Appreciate ourselves. Secondly, we can hug our family members if they are comfortable. We can also give a lot of hugs to the children. In fact, I would say children have been superheroes during this time. They don't even know what's happening, but I think most of them have been very cooperative. So H is for hug. Then in happiness, the second one is A. A is acceptance. This is something which I am also learning from my spiritual mentor. What is, what is not, is not. And I've seen that in all the areas of my life where I've accepted things the way they are, there is automatically so much peace. There is no resistance, and in fact there is a flow. And I can draw so much possibilities into my life the minute I accept things the way they are. So first week I resisted the lockdown. After that I started accepting. Automatically so many opportunities opened up. I started conducting online sessions for my patients. I started learning something new, and it's been beautiful. So A is for acceptance, then P, H-A, then P, this is playing with the body. So basically what I spoke even last time, giving some form of activity to your body. So it could be dancing with your loved ones. If your society allows you, just go for a brief walk and come back, or just within a yoga mat. There are so many exercises that we can do. Even if you don't have a yoga mat, no excuses, just take a bed sheet, fold it and do your exercises. Exercise is going to keep you super happy right now. In fact, there are a lot of people who've lost weight during the lockdown rather than gaining weight just sitting around at home and eating. Now the second P is for just pepping up yourself constantly with a good read. I've started reading a lot and it's helping me. Just dance, listen to some amazing music. In fact, there is such a vast variety of music that we can indulge into right now. Then comes I, which is investing. Most important, invest time with your family. Right now, we don't know when this time is going to come back to us, right? Once we get into our schedule, it's going to be the same routine, in fact, probably even more hectic. So please invest time with your family. It can make a huge difference to your immunity. It can help them also so much. So that's for I. Then the N, very, very important, nature and sunshine. So, I luckily have a lot of nature, in my society. So every day I just go sit there and meditate. If it is possible, you all can sit near your window, look at the trees. If that is also not possible, keep looking at nature videos, pictures. Creative visualization can help a lot. So that's for N. Then is E, which is basically constantly engage in meaningful conversations or fun conversations. So I've been calling up my school friends a lot. Most of them stay abroad, and we'll just share some happy memory of our school days, college days, and it makes a huge difference. So if you can just engage or call up a loved one, talk about their goals, some special memories that they've had in their life, and it can really make a lot of difference. So keep engaging in meaningful and fun conversations. It can make a huge difference to our immunity and stimulate the 4 happy hormones. Then the last two, which is the S and S. So any guesses? Yes, the first S is for skill. It's all of us, I think 98% of us have been wanting to learn something or the other. So why not, use this time to learn at least one thing that we've been longing to learn. One of my friends, she's learning music online. I've started learning technology, which has always been like my enemy. But as I'm learning it, I'm finding it so useful. Be it Zoom or certain video conferencing, or even how to take better quality videos. So that's really been keeping me engaged and happy. And the last S, which is, I would believe, one of the most important, silence, meditation or prayer. It's really important, at least 10 to 11 minutes in a day. If we can invest in silence, it can make a huge difference to our body, mind, and also to our soul. So silence, it could be in different ways. Like maybe you can listen to some music and just go deeper into your journey. Just close your eyes, listen to some soothing music. Or you can maybe say some chants, maybe Om chanting, or any chant that your religion has taught you. It can really make a huge difference. So you can do that, but please remember, whatever you are doing, whether listening to music or chanting, or even after the yoga practice, 5 minutes you just stay with your eyes closed and just be. We are human beings and not human doing, and yet constantly we are engaged in activity after activity. The more and more we can learn to just be, automatically we will draw a lot of abundance into our life. I'm so happy. In fact, I've got a lot of time right now to meditate, to just be by myself. Else I used to not know what are my thoughts, what are my patient's thoughts. Is this negativity mine, or I've absorbed it from somewhere? For the first time, I'm getting ample of time to myself, and it's giving me so much more clarity. I know my strengths better. I know my weaknesses, where to work on better. So I would urge all of you to experience 10 to 11 minutes of silence every day. So we'll just revise this, and then we'll do just a 5 minute of meditation, and then you all can practice it later on also. So happiness. So first there are 4 happy hormones, which is D is for dopamine. So DOSE, the acronym DOSE. D is for dopamine, O is for oxytocin, S is for serotonin, and E is for endorphin. These are the happiest hormones in our body. They can make us feel absolutely rejuvenated, filled with love and bliss. Now the ways to enhancing these hormones is again the acronym happiness. I will also put this down in the comment section. So if you all want to note it, you all do. Otherwise you all can read it later. So H, hug. As I said, it's extremely important to hug yourself, to at least hug your family members. If you have children, give them ample of touch. A is acceptance. When I accept something the way it is, it will leave me very peaceful. So right now, probably there is 19 more days of lockdown. The faster we accept it, the better we are going to feel about this phase, and in fact sail through the entire phase. P is for, playing with the body, which is basically stay fit, stay active, do some form of exercises. Then the other P is for pepping ourselves constantly with basically music, dance, or just a good read. Then we have I, which is investing time in family. Then we have N, which is nature and sunshine. Please, if there is some sunlight coming into your bedroom or your hall, just sit there for some time. It can make a huge difference. You will derive a lot of vitamin D3. Sunshine can make you feel so happy. So please do that. Then we have E, which is engaging in meaningful conversation and also fun conversations with your school friends, college friends. Catch up with your old buddies. We don't know when the time will come again. Then the first S in happiness, which is for skill. Please develop some skill. All of us are craving to learn something. Let's use this phase to learn it. And the last S is for silence, meditation, prayer, some sort of communion with that higher force. It's an inner journey ultimately that creates the outer journey. So please invest in these. I will also put this down in the comment section, so it can be very, very helpful. A lot of my patients are benefiting from these. The minute your happy hormones are stimulated, you will see a big difference in your psychological mindset. It will make you feel happier, healthier, and definitely much more protected from any of the negativity that's going around. So right now, let's keep everything aside, and for 5 minutes let's go through a beautiful nature meditation. Last time we had done the chakra meditation. I'm really happy that a lot of you have been practicing it and are feeling so much more peaceful. So let's do a lovely nature meditation today. So I would request each one of you, if you have your pen or paper, just keep it aside. Clean your mental slate right now. If possible, forget about the past. No worries about the future. Just close your eyes and give yourself in total to these next 5 to 7 minutes. So please keep your eyes closed. Just focus on the very essence of life, that is your prana, your breath. Our breath is something that is going to be with us lifelong. So just visualize a blue color balloon inside your stomach. Breathe in from your nose and breathe out from your mouth. When you are taking a deep breath in, imagine that the balloon is inflating, and when you are breathing out, imagine that the balloon is deflating. So 10 times let's do this. Breathe in, breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Please keep your eyes closed. Creative visualization is very powerful. They've done research where people have, actually just visualized that they are working on their biceps. And at the end of 21 days, even just through visualization, they actually enhance the biceps muscles. So right now, even if we can't be outside or within nature, let's visualize that we are sitting near a beautiful lake. You're feeling so peaceful, so calm, so blissful. And you have gently dipped your leg inside the lake. And you're just enjoying the coolness of the lake on your feet. There is a lovely wind blowing that is just caressing your hair. There's some sunshine falling onto your face. You can hear the sounds of the waterfall. Maybe you're alone, maybe you're with your loved ones, your husband, kids, friends. And you're just feeling so secure, so happy, so protected. Just focus on your breathing and feel a sense of calm just settle into you. Now, please visualize that you're lying down on Mother Earth. You're just resting on Mother Earth, feeling so secure. You can feel the entire wet Mother Earth on your back area, back of the head. You're just lying with your palms facing towards the sky. There is a gentle sunshine just caressing you and a wind blowing. You can hear the sounds of waterfall. Maybe your favorite music is just playing in the background just for you. And keep telling yourself, I'm feeling safe, I'm feeling protected, I'm feeling so secure. Me and my family and my loved ones are absolutely safe. Again, just focus on your breathing. Please have a gentle smile on your face when you are doing this. That will again stimulate the happy hormones, boost your immunity. Now you imagine that you've gently turned over and your stomach is resting on Mother Earth. You are lying on your stomach like a child, just surrendering to whatever is happening. You can feel the dewdrops on your face, on your stomach, on the front of your legs. Again, you can hear the sound of the waterfall and a gentle music. Maybe one of your favorite music is just playing in the background just for you. This is your own inner kingdom, your own inner journey. And once more and more we go into our inner journey, we can actually create the outer reality. Again, have a gentle smile on your face. Feel so peaceful, so secure, so protected. Again, repeat to yourself, I am secure, I am protected. I have surrendered to that higher force. Focus on your breathing. Now imagine that you've turned again onto your back. Again, focus on your breathing. Keep your eyes still closed. Now gently sit up. Imagine that you are just sitting up. Again, your feet are dipped into the lake. And now rub your palms. Feel the warmth of your palms. And put it on your knees. Just whisper a gratitude to your legs. Now again rub your palms and put both your hands on the stomach area. Whisper a silent gratitude. Now rub your palms and put both your palms over your chest area next to your heart area. Again whisper a silent gratitude. Now rub your palms and put it on the top of your head. Now last, rub your palms, put it over your eyes. And then very, very gently open your eyes. Beautiful. Even though I cannot see all, I can already feel so much more peace. I think this is what we need to gift ourselves, our loved ones, and as much as possible to people around us. So I think I've covered for today the nutrition part, the revision. I'm very happy that a lot of people have started implementing good nutrition care. Thank you so much. It really makes me feel worthwhile to invest my time here. Secondly, some people have started exercising. Please stay active. Please stay fit. There are many ways we can stay active even right now. Let this not be an excuse for not exercising. Thirdly, there are at the psychological level, it's very important to stimulate certain happy hormones which I spoke about, and everything I will write also in the comment section. So yes, please, these are the 3 most important things for the body, mind and the soul. So please do this. If you need if you have any other questions, you can ask now, or you can also put it in the comment section and I will go back in the night and answer all the questions. Thank you so much. It's been a beautiful 30 minutes with you all. Stay tuned. Once again, thank you Global Insurance Brokers and Dr. Pratima for having me here. My sister Megha Bajaj for being on this journey, and the inspiration behind this all my mom, who has conquered 2 advanced stages cancer and shown us that there is always a way, and the human spirit is beyond everything. It has infinite possibilities. So let's constantly believe I can. Thank you so much. If any questions you all can write here, else please put it later. Yeah, I think we will end the session now, and I will go through the questions later and reply back. Whatever I have spoken, I will jot it down in points so it becomes easier for people to follow even when they see the video later. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.